Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the TESBROS Chrome Delete Kit, the top trim portion, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm showing you on the driver side today, so DTT is driver top trim. So make sure that you get it, well, you can't really mess it up, but anyways, so the angled piece is going to be for the front of the car. You see the angle I'm showing you there, and then of course the straight cut piece is going to be for the back. Make sure that your windows are down so it's just a little bit easier. Go ahead and apply the trim to the top. So you want to anchor it to the top portion of the chrome, and then go ahead and work your way all the way across. The actual piece doesn't quite fit all the way. Just if you just line it up and anchor it, you need to actually stretch it a little bit for it to fit all the way across and cover the entire chrome piece. So keep that in mind. So once you work your way all the way across, anchoring the top, then just work the bottom and, start from the middle and push it down from the bottom so that way it's nice and flat and there's no bubbles in it. You shouldn't really need to use heat for this. If you want to a little bit, you can, but you really don't need to, only for the corner. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. So just the corner here is really the only place you need to use the heat to just make sure it's all tucked in nicely and molded correctly. You don't really need to squeegee like the either side too much either. It was pretty even, so that's really it. It's pretty straightforward and simple. And that's what it looks like, the completed product. I've got all the other tutorials if you want to see them linked in the description. So if you thought the video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.